Hey everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. Want to go over today, not charts and specifically, but just goals, visualization of goals. So let me just tell you kind of like a bit of a funny goal. You know, she's right here. You know, that was a goal to start raising these dogs. Sorry, I think I covered the mic there. A goal was to start raising this particular breed, which I do enjoy a lot. It's a Roman breed called a Cane Corso Italian Mastiff. But anyway, you can see that she got really big here. She's just kind of hanging out. It is a bit, well, I'm not going to say it's that hot today, but it's definitely, for her, I'd say it's like maybe about 80. All right, so visualization of goals. Just want to tell you in particular what I feel works very well. Visualizing a particular goal. In this case, this is my car, my SUV, I should say. It is a GL Mercedes Benz with a lot of options. Huge amount of options, actually. So I wanted a car. I didn't just want a car. I wanted the options on that car, or again, I'm going to correct myself, the SUV. So I say if you're going to do it, you do it right. So in visualizing a car, I suggest you go to a, let's say, in this case, it's Mercedes Benz. Go to the dealership, do the test drive, take your iPhone with you, and just have some fun. Okay? If you want a white one, be specific. If you want a white one, test drive a white one. Okay? And then put that in your goals. So in this case, I wanted a black one. All right? I wanted the rim package. Let's just start with some of the options. Okay, I was very specific. I wanted the rim package. You see that bottom runner board there? That's an option. Okay, goes along the bottom. I think it looks very sporty. Another thing I wanted was the cameras in the back. All right, they're actually on the bumper. I don't think you could see them over here, but I wanted that. And I wanted all-wheel drive. All right, and on top of that, I didn't want to get ripped off on gas mileage. So this particular SUV is actually pretty good on gas mileage. But, so let's say I'm at the dealership, right? I'll go in, I'll take my iPhone, or let's say you're with somebody. You know, the salesperson shouldn't really care. Why would they care? I mean, you know, you're setting a goal. You may be back in 6 months and giving business. All right, so let me just show you something that personally I think is outstanding. All right. And I wanted this in particular. So let's just say you test drive it. Okay, you get your little iPhone. All right. So I just started up my SUV. All right. What I want to do is I want to capture the things that I want. All right. So again, let's say this is your goal. All right. The thing, again, I know this is kind of like a funny gadget. It's actually a $6,000 option with the premium package. But, you know, when you put your truck in reverse, basically what you're going to get is this. I mean, it's really cool. You're going to get a camera. All right? Really helps out in the city, places like New York City. It is a pretty big truck, so you're not sure who is behind you. I think it could work in any parking lot, really, no matter where you work. All right, so let me put that back in park. Shut that off. I don't want to go over all the features on the car. Mine is... Let me just get out of here. The main point in this video is everybody says write goals. Everybody says, you know, take a picture. But remember, we're in an age of video. Everything, basically, I'm not going to say everything, but a lot of things, entertainment-wise, have to do with some sort of a visual stimulus. And normally it comes in the form of video. So I think our brains are very susceptible to this type of suggestion. So let's say you make a video, okay, and then dub in some voices, you know, like your voice. Get a cheap video editing program. Usually they're default on many of these operating systems nowadays. And just say, I can obtain this goal. And it doesn't even have to be for trading. You know, it could be for anything in particular. If you're a salesperson, I will obtain this goal by selling X amount per month. Whatever it is. All right? So, in my case, it's day trading. I hope it works for you. Send me some notes, maybe 6 months, 12 months down the road. Try it out. Give it a try. I believe you'll be very happy with the results. Give it a try. Let me know. Post it over here. I want to see other people do well, because when you help other people obtain their goals, that comes back to you, and you will achieve a higher greatness. Take care, everybody. I wish you the best.